Good morning, friends, mathematicians. It is time to think about our math for today. Before I give you our I can statement to help you out with the window pane, I want to help you out a little bit on the word problems. One of them from yesterday, which will help us with the one from today. So if we look at this word problem, number 4, I had 2 kids ask yesterday. So it says January, it snowed 21 inches. In February, it snowed 4 more inches than it did in January. How many total inches of snowfall occurred in January and February? And it says it's a 2-step problem. One of our friends thought you just add 21 and 4 together and that gives you total. But I want to think about what we know. We know that in January, it snowed 21 inches. In February, it says it snowed 4 plus January. 4 inches plus January. January is 21. Oh, so first step was 21 plus 4 equals 25 inches in February. Does that make sense? And then to solve the all together, you do January, which was 21, and February that you figured out was 25. Well, that's pretty simple. 20 plus 20 is 40. 5 plus 1 is 6. Oh, I think that's 46. 46 what, friends? 46 inches of snow. Does that make sense? So if we turn to Wednesdays and thinking about this, over the summer, Rachel read 24 books. Margot read 23 more books than Rachel. So there's got more books than Rachel. How many books did the 2 girls read together? So you have to figure out how many books Margot read first by adding what Rachel read plus the more. That'd be the first step. And then you add 24 plus your total answer. Down here at the bottom, for an annual egg hunt, there are 128 yellow eggs, 163 blue eggs hidden in the Riviera Park. The children found 212 eggs altogether. How many are still hidden? So you have to add those 2 numbers together, the first step, and then subtract that for the second step. So that should help you on those. Our I can statement today is I can solve equations with missing parts by naming what I know. What you know is the part and a whole. You know the 2 parts go together to equal a whole, or you have a whole, you take away the part, you figure out the other part. So for this one, 48 plus something equals 105. I've named them for you, part, whole. So if you name those, then you should figure out that you can either add up to the whole to get the other part, or do 105 minus 48. For this one, I named the parts again. Something plus 76 equals 268. Part, whole. So you can take your whole, subtract the part you know, and come up with the other part, or add up the popsicle stick way. And for these 2 over here, 834 minus something equals 639. We know this is my whole. I'm trying to figure out a part. I know one part, so you just subtract the part, or take the part and add up to the whole and do the popsicle stick. Here, something minus 438 equals 321. Whole, part. If you know both parts, you add them together to equal the whole. I hope that helps on those. So remember, your I can statement is I can solve equations with missing parts by naming what I know. Part, whole. I hope that helps for today's math lesson. Have a great afternoon, and I will see you later.